मान्यता प्राप्त डिग्री एवं डिप्लोमा कोर्सेज की शुरुआत सर्वप्रथम आईपीएस में प्रारंभ हुई। शैक्षणिक सत्र के दौरान विभिन्न सांस्कृतिक एवं खेलों का आयोजन सभी विद्यालय करते हैं, किंतु ग्रीष्मकालीन अवकाश में विद्यार्थियों के सर्वांगीण विकास के लिए ग्रीष्मकालीन शिविर की शुरुआत सन 1990 में सर्वप्रथम आईपीएस द्वारा प्रारंभ की गई। प्रतिवर्ष 5 मई से 29 मई तक लगने वाले समर कैंप में विद्यार्थी समस्त खेल, कला, संगीत, नृत्य आदि का प्रशिक्षण लेकर अपना व्यक्तित्व निखारते हैं। जिस तरह सूरज चारों ओर रोशनी फैलाता है, ये हवाएं सभी को ताजगी देती हैं, ये घटाएं सभी जगह बरसती हैं, तो आईपीएस की शिक्षा एक जगह सीमित क्यों? इन्हीं समस्त सुविधाओं को अन्य स्थानों तक कैसे पहुंचाया जाए? इस प्रश्न ने एक बार फिर बेचैन कर दिया कर्मठ लोह पुरुष श्री अचल चौधरी सर को, और फिर आपने विस्तार किया आईपीएस मुख्य परिसर राजेंद्र नगर का, ईस्टर्न कैंपस, झाबुआ कैंपस, महू कैंपस, सावेर कैंपस, मदर टॉडलर, इंडो किड, आईपीएस एकेडमी। शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में नित नए प्रयोग किए जा रहे हैं एवं आईपीएस इन प्रयोगों का उपयोग अपनी शिक्षा पद्धति में सर्वप्रथम करने के लिए जाना जाता है। इसी के कुछ उदाहरण हैं। अजमेर रीजन द्वारा सीबीएसई स्कूल्स के लिए एलिस वर्कशॉप का आयोजन किया गया, जिसका मुख्य उद्देश्य था एनिमेशन फिल्में कैसे बनाई जाती हैं ये सिखाना। इसके लिए आवश्यक अत्याधुनिक कंप्यूटर लैब की जरूरत थी। अजमेर रीजन की इस जरूरत को आईपीएस ने पूरा किया। राजस्थान, गुजरात, मध्य प्रदेश के विभिन्न शहरों से आकर लोगों ने इस वर्कशॉप को सफल बनाया। आईपीएस ने सदैव ही अपने विद्यार्थियों के सर्वांगीण विकास के लिए नए नए उपक्रम प्रारंभ किए हैं। इसी कड़ी में इस वर्ष ब्रिटानिया ई लाइब्रेरी का प्रारंभ किया गया है, जिसके तहत आईपीएस का विद्यार्थी घर बैठे बैठे दुनिया भर की बहुमूल्य पुस्तकों को भी आसानी से पढ़ सकता है। टेक्नोलॉजी के क्षेत्र में आज रोबोटिक्स का विस्तार तेजी से हो रहा है। रोबोटिक के द्वारा हम अपने दैनिक कार्यों को बड़ी आसानी से कर सकते हैं। रोबोटिक की इसी उपयोगिता को समझते हुए आईपीएस ने इस विषय की ट्रेनिंग को अपने विद्यार्थियों के लिए उपलब्ध कराया। इंदौर शहर में स्थित सीबीएसई स्कूल्स के ग्रुप को सहोदय ग्रुप कहा जाता है। सहोदय ग्रुप के द्वारा प्रतिवर्ष विभिन्न सांस्कृतिक एवं खेल प्रतियोगिता का आयोजन किया जाता है। इस वर्ष आईपीएस ने ड्रामा, डांस, स्पोर्ट्स, आर्ट सभी में सर्वश्रेष्ठ स्थान अर्जित किया। जिस विद्यालय के संस्थापक स्वयं आईआईटीएन हो, उस विद्यालय के छात्र शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में कैसे पीछे हो सकते हैं? पिछले वर्ष आईपीएस से 19 विद्यार्थियों का चयन आईआईटी में हुआ। अपनी इन सभी उपलब्धियों के साथ आईपीएस ने पिछले वर्ष 25वीं वर्षगांठ बड़े उत्साह के साथ मनाई। एकेडमिक डायरेक्टर ऑफ आईपीएस मिसेस सिंथिया जेम्स को सीबीएसई द्वारा सीसीई में उत्कृष्ट क्रियान्वयन के लिए 4 सितंबर 2013 को राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर दिल्ली में पुरस्कृत किया गया। कहते हैं सफलताओं का कोई अंत नहीं होता। श्री अचल सर ने भी आईपीएस के विस्तार को अभी विराम नहीं लगाया है। वे अब आईपीएस एकेडमी को एक सेल्फ फाइनेंस यूनिवर्सिटी बनाना चाहते हैं। हम सभी उनके इस सपनों को पूरा होने की प्रार्थना करते हैं। थैंक यू।
Friends, what a lunch we had today. We ate as if we ate after 18 years. Memories, your recollections, your anecdotes, your stories of school time. So first I'll request one of the teachers if they can share some memories. Please.
आप सबको मेरा नमस्कार। लोगों ने इनवाइट किया, मैं सोच नहीं सकती हूँ कि आप लोग इतना सब अच्छी तरह से अरेंज कर सकें। जब मैं आपका सबका देखा मैंने तो बहुत ही अच्छा लगा और इस बात की और ज़्यादा खुशी हुई कि इतना सब आप लोग कर सकते हैं, आप में इतनी क्षमता है।
How I joined in Lord Buck. Some of you, and I think most of them know that this is James' late husband and my husband were the best of friends in the army. We joined the army as, I would say, young lads of 19, 18, 19, and they grew up together. And once she got married to her husband and I got married to mine, our friendship continued, blossomed over the years. Our children were born. Their friendship is blossoming. Our sons-in-laws are good friends, and so are our grandchildren today. So our history goes back a long way, and it was in the August of 1989 that we lost a very dear friend, and it shook us to the core of our hearts. But the only good thing that came out of it was that we were posted in a very far off remote place of Assam called Zinjan. And our next posting was to Mao. By then we knew that Mr. James was in Mao, in Indore, and that was the one thing that we both were looking forward to being with her and being able to extend to her whatever help that we could. And when we came and we met her, she joined in Lord Buck. One weekend she came to spend with us. I still remember we didn't have a proper house. We were living in temporary army accommodation. And she told me that why would you join? Incidentally, I must tell you that we had been teaching together in various nations as colleagues. She was always the better one. I was always the mischievous one. But anyway, so I said, what are the teaching hours? She told me it's from morning till evening. So I said, my husband's not going to allow me because he comes home for lunch and he always wanted that I should be there. She gave him a hot lunch. So she asked him, and the only thing he told her was, you need her? He said, yes. Okay, then she will be there with you. And that is the way I started my career in Indore public school, spread over I think nearly 50 days. And I have so many memories, but they're also puzzled and muddled. But anyway, as they keep coming out, I started teaching English and my favorite subject, geography. And I think I used to really wonder, am I getting anything into the heads of these children? Are they understanding what I'm telling them? But nevertheless, I continued as much as I could. I used to be very strict with them. And in those days, we were allowed to hit the children. At least I used to hit them in front. It was always with the ruler on their legs. And these boys could really teach me. They used to prod me beating them. And they used to enjoy it so much that I think by the end of the class, I used to be laughing myself. And when people say that no capital punishment is allowed, you cannot hit children. And I see the love that I have for my students and the love that I receive from them, I think hitting them wasn't such a bad idea after all. And what else can I remember? I remember once it was Elmer's Day. And some of these teachers and some of the staff members got after me that, man, the only people who don't get a holiday on Teachers' Day are the drivers. Because every student has to be brought to school in a bus. So for the sake of the video at least, you must drive the bus. So that we have it on record that even the drivers have a holiday. So they put me into driving the Mao bus. And the drivers also had a nice dig at me because they pushed the seat right next to the steering wheel. And they said, "Aap andar fit hi nahi ho rahi madam." I said, "Chalo waapis piche karo seat ko." Anyway, I got into it, and the plan was right from the parking here till the steps. But before I did it, the driver, the steering wheel and all. But they somehow managed to push me in. And I drove till here. And horror of horrors, who could we see coming from the other way? But Mr. Chaudhary. So Mr. Chaudhary was in his car. He said, Madam, मैं क्या हो रहा है? I said, sir, do you remember? I told you. I said, sir, it's helper's day, so I'm driving the bus. He said, अच्छा ठीक. So then the teacher forced me to drive up to the gate. I drove to the gate. Then they said, no, come on, drive a little further. And like that, I drove all the way to home. Next day was a holiday. And I came on the Monday to school following. I had brought my reservation along and I told her, I said, I'm resigning because this is what I've done. She was so furious with me. But I told her this also. I said, Mr. Chaudhary, ठीक है. I think that was the end of my resignation in school. So this is one of the memories. Another memory that I had was a recent one. The day ma'am was getting her knee replaced. I hope you know that in February this year, she had one knee replaced. So we were very tense and bothered about her, concerned about the surgery she was going through. So early in the morning we came to the Bombay hospital and Sir and Mr. Chaudhary were also there. And then after a while we were wondering that she's in for such a long time and why hasn't she the surgery? क्या हो गया? Utne mein after some time I think the school doctor went in and told us it could be delayed for a while, but we decided to stay on because younger daughter Anne was there and we had a son and all. We said let's leave the children so they don't get anxious. So suddenly a gentleman comes up to me and he says, do you recognize me? I said, no. He said, ma'am, I was a student in Indore Public School. Now all of you have changed. How much you guys have changed? I don't recognize you. He says, I'm Jitendra Goyal and I used to teach me in Indore Public School. मैंने कहा था very good and all. तो मैंने उसको बोला देखिए सर अंदर ना गैस का ऑपरेशन हो रहा है. So I said, I'm going to the window to see the virus come in. कहता I don't know what man will feel if he sees me. कहता आपको याद है मैम मैंने एक दिन ना सारी खिड़कियाँ तोड़ दी थी क्लास की. तो मैम ने मेरे को सस्पेंड किया था 15 दिन के लिए. And he said पर वो 15 दिन में मैंने सारी खिड़कियाँ दी. Anyway, उसके बाद he decided to give my husband an account of how I used to teach him in school. He said आपको याद है आप मेरे को थप्पड़ कैसे मारते थे स्कूल में? I said no. He said आप बुलाते थे फिर टाइप से पकड़ के हम लोग खींचते थे. Just when you think कि आप क्या फोकस करना हाथ से थप्पड़ लगा. So I still remember the kind of things I did with the kids. And if I hurt any of you, I'm sorry, but thoroughly, I think I thoroughly enjoyed them, and so did you. And just now when I was seeing this nice presentation, I just mentioned कि मेरी तो कोई पिक्चर आई ही नहीं. So संदीप मुद्रा कहते हैं आप तो कोई काम ही नहीं करते थे, आप तो ऑफिस में ही बैठते थे. And let me tell you to sleep wherever you are. पता नहीं मैंने काम किया कि नहीं. But the mere fact that you guys, all of you, and the others after you have done so well in life, there must have been one little percentage I contributed. And I worked in the office, and I loved the magazine, the first magazine. I got out and then I was like, okay, thank you, and all the best to all of you. Lovely to be with you.
Now, I would like to give the mic to a friend of mine who's flown all the way from Dubai, who's one of the targets of Chitta ma'am in her lifetime career, Mr. Ranjit Singh Dawde.
Respected teachers, I have all these teachers and I introduced it. Second teacher, thank you very much for giving us this opportunity that we all are here together after 18 years. We've never got this opportunity ever. And thank you very much for the IPS management. It has been a wonderful, wonderful journey for us. And that we're standing here very proudly today with our chest out, open, wide open. How did just say that we love you very much. And as far as memories are concerned, I have have lots of them, but none I will say it here. So I wanted to know that because I was one of the mischievous ones, and I have done some really, really amazing ones. None I can share here. So thank you very much.
Any more of our faculty would like to share memories? Rena ma'am, what you've written down here? With learn.
I was supposed to leave by 2:30, but I just could not. I could not get up and I could not leave. I'm supposed to reach my school, my duty wala school. This is my school. But before leaving, I would like to express something. I must do that. Although I'm so overwhelmed that I'm running short of words right now, but still I'll try to express my feelings. I still remember in one of the speeches that James Mann gave, once she said that no matter how far you go, no matter how high you rise in life, never forget your roots. I believe our presence over here, all of us who have come here today, we have proved that none we have followed the path that you have shown us. My heartfelt gratitude to Inspector James Mann for making our lives, creating us, our lives. Inspector Smita Raju Mann, and all the worthy teachers present here. Most of all, Honorable Chaudhary Sir, Kumudini Ma'am, Rajesh Chaudhary Sir, who have not only constructed a school, but they have actually created lives of many, not only us, but they are still creating lives for so many. Please congratulate for the noble work that they have done and they are still doing, growing, and our best wishes to IPS, our support to IPS will always be there. We have organized this gathering, this show. The core committee members, please come out. Please come out, all of you. Devendra Shah, Amit Chauhan, please come to this side. Please come to this side. A special clap. You know, I remember we used to have this special clap. Do you remember the special clap that we had in school? Yes? So that they deserve. Come this side. Children. Not a way. I mean, they have not only brought us here, the way they were convincing on phone, आना है, without fail, आना ही है. They were persuading us, although it was already so tempting to come back to IPS, gather all together. Thank you so much for giving this, giving a memorable time which we will never ever forget. And we look forward for such alumni meets every year. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Before leaving, I'll just try to express with a share. लोग कहते हैं जिंदगी रही तो फिर मिलेंगे, आज सबसे मिलके यूं लगा. लोग कहते हैं जिंदगी रही तो फिर मिलेंगे, आज सबसे मिलके यूं लगा, मिलते रहे तो जिंदा रहेंगे.
Ask the Honorable Rena ma'am for a short speech.
Management, my dear principal, dear listener, and my dear lovely students. Ma'am, a short narrative about how I joined here. I joined here as a geography teacher, and then I took on English, and under the guidance of Cynthia James Mann. And let me tell you, I think it was not only the students who were very scared of James Mann. I was also one of them. And ma'am, always in these last 18 years of life, if I tell my students would vouch for that. Whenever I did something wrong in my day-to-day life, James Mann, believe me, I always had a dream of Radha. It would always, even if it was a small gesture of unkindness that I did, you held such a position in my life that whenever I did wrong, you would come in my dreams and tell me, although when I was working here, I was so scared of James Mann that I would always change path. If she would be coming from here, I would walk off from that side. I was so scared of her. But yes, ma'am, you in my life, you taught me so much. You taught me how to live. You taught me how to live up to standards of my own expectation and what to expect from other people. You taught me to expect with eyes. You just have to look at that person. Ma'am, if you remember, whenever you would not reply back to my good morning, ma'am, 3 days I would retrospect मैंने क्या गलती की स्कूल में और वही जिंदगी में. And believe me, ma'am, this has made me a wonderful person today. People respect me outside. My husband respects me for that because I stand up and I say this is right and this is wrong. This is what you taught me, ma'am. And I'm so thankful to you and the love and gratification I got from these children. I always tell my husband, these 2.5 years of my student life, the amount of time, the amount of love that I got from these children, the amount of respect I got from these children, ma'am, nothing ever can change that. Those were the glorious days of my life. And my husband says that whenever you talk of IPS, it brings a twinkle in your eyes. And Chaudhary sir, madam, I can't tell you how yummy the food is, how nice the management is. I still remember my brother had come to school one year and he was leaving. So Firoza was over here and when he was leaving, she asked him, Rena ma'am, आपके brother को खाना खिलाया? And believe me, ma'am, I worked in other institutions. I always quote that. I say, if you ever go to IPS, I can vouch the kind of reception that you get. The school is open to everybody. The kind of reception, the kind of respect that you get, I can't vouch it for anywhere else. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. And Victor, there's a small incident. Can I share it with the students? Very small incident. Now, ma'am, when I joined, I was watched here by Babda David, ma'am. I was just a fresh graduate, so I had a meeting with principal, ma'am. So I told ma'am, I don't know how to teach. I wonder if I'll be able to teach also or not. So ma'am said, you go and you sit in Gupta ma'am's class. I remember Swati was there in the class. So because of some problem, Gupta ma'am used to sit down and teach. Remember that? So I went to the class, I sat back and ma'am was teaching English in class 8 and you were sitting and teaching. When she left, then James ma'am came. I also tripped down like she puts her feet in this manner. I also sat down in the same manner and I was teaching. When I came back, she was very angry with me. I just couldn't find out why she was so angry with me. She said, do you know how to teach? I said, ma'am, you already taught well. So I couldn't sit in. on your life, do well in your life, and all my good wishes, all my heartfelt love is with you all. Thank you so much. But also for those teachers who had left and have come just for learning with me. No doubt that whenever you enter IPS, you never feel that you are new here at all, or you have come after such a long time at all. Never you will feel. And as for the hospitality is concerned, I 100% agree with our lady who had just now said that yes, one person who never feels neglected after having come here is whoever enters this particular premises and goes, whether Mr. Ashok Chaudhary, Mrs. Chaudhary is here or not. But then the habit which has been inculcated in all the teaching staff and all the staff for that matter always remains, and I think it's a beautiful culture being maintained all through and through. And now, just on the lighter side, let me tell you one thing. Since everybody is congratulating IPS, let IPS also congratulate me for one thing, that whenever we used to have kaddu in our lunch, people never ate, children never ate. And we as a class teacher had horrible time. So due to that I had to tell, look, this is a very beautiful subject. In South, you make so beautiful, it is my favorite subject. So no wonder all the children who used to love me, they made a habit of starting eating kaddu in their lunch, and you see, ensure that the plate is funny. Not only that, they had the initiative of getting up early, and ma'am, you love, so you please, I am serving you once again. My God, I only had to go through again. But yes, they got inculcated into the habit of not leaving any of the subjects, including the kaddu subject. That's one thing. And the most funniest part was when I was introduced in Facebook, one of the students of IPS, she sent a friend request. Since I had taught her for long, I had agreed, I had accepted her request. So immediately she writes back, ma'am, I love your Meetha Kaddu so much. My God, I said after so many years you have to remember my Meetha Kaddu only. She said, no ma'am, we do remember your English also, but this we cannot forget because you made all of us feel that. That's like something which I think that I will hold. Thank you so much.
From the nearby area, the Rajesh Nagar ka Raja, Chintan Chaudhary. But he is not coming. चंदन भाई साहब, आपसे विनम्र विनती है कि आप यहाँ आए और दो शब्द कहें। भाई साहब, युवा नेता, हिंदी में बोला। क्या पासिंग में माइक में दोस्तों प्लीज। Or it was everything, every way about you that inspired us. The way you used to walk the corridor, that inspired us. The way I remember, we used to sneak into your house for eating. Okay, and you come to be there, and so it was an open house sorts of for us. And maybe you don't remember, but I remember it exactly. Once you walked in and we were sitting on the table there, we were sitting there, we were just eating up with our hands. It was normal. You walked in and said, you are eating a dessert. a fork. So this is the desert food. This is how we eat it. Food and activity. And you eat. Every time I see a desert food, I remember you. So then, from the bottom of our heart, thank you and thank you. Thank you.
Last evening we had a confession that whenever he was missing from the activity period, he was sitting in my house and having food with Shiva in hand and telling the dunya mein ढूंढने इनको बहुत दिक्कत में कौन ढूंढेगा. And they used to hide in my house and literally I didn't know. And Shiva and I were so loyal to them that they never told me also and they were entertained there in the house.
We actually used to watch some serials at your house. Hello.
Good evening, one and all. Respected Judge Madam, Chaudhary Madam, Bhavi sir, all my faculty colleagues, my dearmost students. I remember a week ago, Sandeep Mundra called me. Ma'am, कौन बोल रहा हूँ मैं? And without taking minutes time, I said Sandeep Mundra. मैडम क्या बात है? इकोनॉमिक्स की क्लास लगानी है क्या? So this is what is the association I had with this batch. I am grateful to each one of you that you remember. One day somebody asked me what is the asset you have got in your life. I said my students. जहाँ भी जाते हैं हम लोग को पंक्ति में खड़े होना नहीं पड़ता है. This is what we have earned, children. Thank you very much for inviting us. I am looking forward for the association in the future too. Thank you so much.
Achha Chaudhary sir, Modini Chaudhary ma'am, Ms. Madam, Tripta ma'am, and all my colleague teachers over here and my dear students. Just would like to recall one particular class of mathematics in 11th. It was mathematics teaching period of mine, and students were habitual to write down the subject. They have written spelling MATHEKUTICS, mathematics. I also add one more correction to that. I said mathematics इतना आसान subject नहीं होता. Make it MATHEKOOTEECS. हिंदी में जैसे छोटे ऊ और बड़े ऊ में एक फर्क है, छोटे ई की मात्रा और बड़े ई की मात्रा में फर्क है, वैसे ही मैंने भी इसमें बड़े ऊ और बड़े ई लगा के मैथमेटिक्स को और डिफिकल्ट बना दिया. That class I did not forget. I did not forget the news read by Gautam Vaidya, 1 year senior to you. During the sports meet, the torch carried by Rupesh Tiwari, I did not forget. I did not forget any one of my students of 11th, Neena, Ronika, Yusuf, and all other students. Though many of you are over here, I tried to recall your names, but all 63 students' names I could not recall. I am very sorry for this thing. Those whose names I could recall, I actually replied them. Since I was associated with you all by core of my heart, so despite of 18 years span was passed, still your names are in my memory. Your gestures are in my memory. I wish each one of you great success in your life. 3 dimensions you already are having. Add one more dimension of self-satisfaction and self-esteem. And good wishes to all of you, my dear students, to members of your family and to your children. Good luck. I'm thankful to you that you have remembered me and invited me over here. Thank you. I was going to speak in Hindi because I would be more comfortable. आदरणीय अध्यक्ष चौधरी सर, कमोदी मैडम, विंध्या मैडम, सभी हमारे टीचर्स और जितने हमारे भाई लोग हैं, आपने सभी लोगों को सुना होगा, लेकिन मैं बहुत छोटे से शहर से या क्यों कहूँ कि कस्बे से इस कॉलेज स्कूल में आया था। उसका नाम था हरदा। और मुझे इस बात का बहुत गर्व है कि इस बैच में शायद कोई किसी को जाने या ना जाने, लेकिन मुझे सब जानते हैं। ये अलग बात है कि मुझे मेरे नाम से नहीं जानते हैं, लेकिन वो नाम भी मुझे IPS ने दिया, उसका नाम है घोड़ा। और मैं बहुत प्राउड फील करता हूँ इसलिए कि मैं बहुत छोटे से शहर से आया था। और सर, मैं आपको व्यक्तिगत बात बताता हूँ कि जब मैं घर में खाना नहीं खाता था तो मेरी माँ मुझे कहती थी कि बेटा जिस दिन हॉस्टल जाएगा उस दिन पता लगेगा कि इस रोटी की कीमत क्या है। और आज मैं जब घर में करेले की सब्जी बड़े प्यार से खाता हूँ तो मेरा बेटा मुझे देख के जरूर कहता है कि ये हमारा पिताजी हॉस्टल में गया था इसलिए ऐसा काम करता है। I was not good at sports, but I was really being nurtured very properly that I was not only good at football in IPS, but I was also good at football in Indore itself. और एक बहुत छोटी सी बात है जो सर आपको नहीं पता होगा, मैं 11th में फुटबॉल खेलने गया। हमारा एमरल्ड से मैच होता था और आप जानते हैं वो हिंदुस्तान पाकिस्तान टाइप ही होता था। तो उनके कोचेस ने मुझे मुक्तेश्वर सिंह साहब से बुलाया, क्योंकि मैं 10th में सबसे पहले अपना एडमिशन कराने एमरल्ड में गया था, वहाँ मेरा एडमिशन नहीं हुआ। और उन्होंने मुझे कहा कि अगले साल तो मेरे स्कूल में आ जाना, मैं तुम्हें डिस्काउंट दे दूँगा। मैंने उनसे कहा मैं अचल सर की कृपा से बहुत अच्छी जगह पे हूँ, आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। ऐसा, और ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट बात है, जब जब हम हॉस्टल में, क्योंकि हम हॉस्टल जितने हॉस्टल में थे वो जानते होंगे, जब जब हमने हॉस्टल से बाहर लिफ्ट मांगी 8 में से 10 बार अचल चौधरी साहब ने हमको लिफ्ट दी और मुझसे पूछते रहे बेटा खाना अच्छा बनता है, तो आजकल क्रिकेट खेलता है और तो दौड़ने में अच्छा है ना, हाँ अपने को IPS को ठीक करना है। उन्होंने कभी मुझसे नहीं पूछा कि तू पढ़ाई में कैसा है। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। ये भी एक बहुत अजीबोगरीब वाकया है मेरे जीवन का। 2002-03 में मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि मैं गाना भी गा सकता हूँ और वो किसी को भी नहीं पता होगा। सीरियसली, हाँ, मतलब मेरे को रियलाइज नहीं था। मैं रमन हाउस में मुझे आदरणीय मुंद्रा जी ने करवाया था। मैं बड़े गर्व से कहता हूँ कि मैं 4 नंबर पे आया था, क्योंकि हाउस ही 4 थे। नहीं, और मतलब मुझे बताया थर्ड नहीं, 4th ही आया था। तब तो मुझे क्या करना है गाना गाना। अच्छा, we have a very good song called पुरानी जीन्स, और everybody knows that, क्योंकि 11th में जब हमने 12th वालों को वो दिया तो तपन आचार्य हमारा स्टूडेंट हुआ करता था जो हमारे काफ़ी आगे था, और मैं और वाधवानी दोनों ये सोचा करते थे कि हम में से कौन कॉन्गो बजाया था। और तपन ने हमारे साथ बदमाशी है कि हम दोनों को हटा दिया और खुद ने गाना गाना शुरू कर दिया, तो हम पीछे खड़े रह गए। लेकिन नाउ आफ्टर 18 ईयर्स भगवान कहता है कि लोगों के घर भगवान के घर देर है अंधेर नहीं है। मुझे वापस भेज दिया IPS में कि भैया अभी आप वापस शामिल मत करो। So I'll sing this song and I hope everybody would join to me. अच्छा, ऊपर ऑर्केस्ट्रा भी है। अच्छा, ओके सर, मुझे प्लीज माफ कीजिएगा, ये मेरा यौनर नहीं है, लेकिन मैं गा रहा हूँ। पुरानी जीन्स मोहल्ले की बोझल और मेरे जागना, सुबह घर जाना, धूप की दीवार, सिगरेट पीना, कहीं में जाके उतरना तुमको घड़ी घड़ी क्या बात है। वो गाने गाना यारों के साथ, यादें 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 रह जाती हैं, छोटी छोटी बातें रह जाती हैं, यादें। ऐसा यादों का मौसम चला, भूलता ही नहीं दिल ये मेरा, कहाँ मेरी जीत और किताब, मोहल्ले की वो छत और मेरे यार। थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
Diksha, I have an anecdote with Diksha that I would like to share. So many times. Greenboard is where we used to, sit crisscross with the 10th students. 10th year, 12th year, 10th year. So Diksha apparently was the guy sitting crisscross to me, right behind me. Physics ka paper, I had not studied anything, nothing that I knew about it. And I copied word to word of what Diksha said. Now, Mukherjee sir was our teacher, and the best of the luck that we carried, while he was checking the papers, both of us were standing. Now, fortunately for him, my name came first, so Mukherjee sir checked the paper, he said, very good. When he opened his paper, he said, I've just read this answer. And he got passing of it. I got the Come on.
Thanks everyone. Sir, Murli madam, James madam, and of course, Mr. Tinku. I mean, we are all here because of him, so I really don't have anything to say. I just want to thank everyone, and of course the last few moments of marathon were very emotional, and I think I'm carried off here.
रमन के लंदन वाले Scottish
As was my first time, I was speaking on my sober condition. Never speak before. Thank you everyone for calling me here, especially the school. Thank you. Thanks everyone for calling here. It's nice, really nice, they organized, really arranged everything. Problem is, I've never spoken on a mic before. That's the first time in sober condition I'm speaking on a mic. Good. It's courage. Get it from school, you guys. These people bring me here, calling me again and again. Not anymore.
Thank you, Gatna. I love you, brother. This is the longest line of English that I've heard from him in 18 years. Anybody else who would like to share? Or should we carry on?
I remember when we were in class 9, teachers used to sit in the corridor in a big table, around the big table. So whenever I used to pass from that place, Tripta Singh madam used to call me, Amit, idhar aa. And I used to stand. Yes madam. Niche jo. Then I used to bend a little. Then she used to twist my hair. Ja.
Ajanta, please, few words from you, sir. This would be the concluding section.
warm welcome to all the members of IPS family, and a very special welcome to the 95 batch. When you speak in the end, the chairs are empty and almost everyone. Somebody can try. ये लेकिन रोका था।
सर इसके बगैर ये मीटिंग पूरी नहीं हो पाती।
क्या है क्लास में पढ़ना नहीं पढ़ना ये चीज़ें तो जो है हर स्कूल में होती है, बट these are the things are when you are sitting alone on the ground, you are watching a match, some special event, those are the things you really recollect, which you really remember. As a pass out from IIT in 1973, when I went there somewhere around 2003, that is almost after 30 years, to my surprise, the institute, you know, the Kharagpur is that part of India, we are in center, no connection with them for 30 years. But to my surprise, my institute, the great institute, knew about me. That was the first time in my life when I put my collar up like that. That was a proud thing. Now, while sitting here and all the time watching the profile of you all people, I suddenly realized today I am wearing a double collar shirt, and today is the second time looking at you all's profile, I can again put my collar up. Really it was very wonderful to know about you all, the position, the faces, you are really admirable, and really the color of Indore Public School is high. So for that, let's come by now let's have a school clap. I think that's all, but go to see the timing, sir. So, my one request to you all, no institute, however well does it, you know, it is patronized by the alumni, Kharagpur IIT also, you know, does a lot, but it's patronized by the alumni, and there is a special director for it, and there is a special wing for it who looks after the alumni. So, I would request you people, one, you patronize Indore Public School. That means you all must send your children to Indore Public School. That is one thing, and like them I have told last time that form an alumni thing and make somebody from 95 today, they are here. So ask them to select a president and a secretary and select that one and make them in charge for the alumni association. Enjoy the rest of the evening. My colors remain high. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Now, Mukul sir.
Mukul sir want to share with us a story.
If you are giving this word story, then I have to accept that the story of mine as a learner, not only in the school, but in the school bus as well. I would like to call upon Aditya Upadhyay over here. Aditya Upadhyay.
Sir, Bamboi Porta.
In his absence, let me accept that he used to be my computer teacher when we used to travel in bus number 17 of IPS. When he used to board the bus from Sudhamanagar, I used to board the bus from Annapurna, and from Annapurna till gate of IPS, I used to learn basics of computer from Aditya Upadhyay. This point I could not mention when I was over here. My courses did not allow me to mention that thing over here. So I requested Avinash once again to hand over the mic. So one school play for Aditya Upadhyay. So please.
18 years, I've been here. I've come here after such a long time. It's very nostalgic, and I'm grateful to Devendra for getting in touch with me and calling me here. And I'm sorry I'm not able to recollect all the faces that have changed. But I'm thankful to all of you for being here. Thank you.
Now I will request all the teachers to give us the honor of giving us a chance to honor you with mementos. And I request the members of your committee to present the mementos to teachers. Our mentor, Mrs. Cynthia James. The present principal, Mrs. Smita Rathod. The teacher who made us travel the whole tour, sitting right in the classroom, our geography teacher, Madam Tripta Singh. Madam Richa Chitri. Madam Reena Pillai.
It's a very pretty and very sweet of you. Very sweet of you all to take comment.
Our English teacher who taught us difference between a cat and a comma. A cat has claws at the end of its paws, and a comma puts a paws at the end of a clause. Madam Erica Francis. हिंदी है हम वतन है हिंदुस्तान हमारा। हमें अपनी राष्ट्रभाषा हिंदी एक माँ की तरह पढ़ाने वाली मैडम मनीषा पाठक। Now an integrator who taught us to differentiate the equations properly, Mr. Mukul Golwar. Now, a teacher who has been more of a friend to us and an inspiration to us, Mr. Chan Singh, please. Sir. Gupta sir, C.S. Gupta sir. who helped us with the practical learning. Now the economics teacher who taught us that opportunity cost and the law of diminishing utility do not apply to friendship. Madam, very good teach. And Madam Swarna Raman speech. Mr. Anil Jain, please go ahead. Mr. Anil Jain, please, sir. Last but thank you friends, thank you teachers, thank you friends.
Prestigious institution. We never knew what we'll become. We never knew which path we'll take. 18 years down the line when we are here today, each of us is happy for each one of us. Not for ourselves, but for the others also. And this is a great opportunity, and I really love to thank the management of IPS. But actually, not the opportunity of helping us, come in today, for giving us an institution like IPS, which really helped us build our base, build our values, taught us what we are, and what we can, impart to the next generation, to our children also. So on behalf of the entire 1995 batch of IPS, I would like to express heartfelt gratitude to first Ajit Chaudhary sir, who created this institute to bring us all together in one place. To Kumudni ma'am, who supported us, who guided us at every step since 1987 till today, wherever we are there. Thank you for your blessings, ma'am. Our most loving Cynthia James ma'am, who led us together from the word go at every step. Even if she meets us on a flight, I'm sure she teaches us something. I met her 5 years back, and that was the incident that I remember. She got me something on the flight also. So, thank you ma'am for being there always with us. For Mrs. Smrita Rathore, thank you ma'am for the opportunity, for helping us coming together as one unit, as one family. And we really thank you for making us feel the same warmth that we had when we left this place 18 years back. Thank you. I would love to thank all the teachers on behalf of the notorious batch that we were managing, for the years that you've been managing us. Everybody who has taken time to come here to be a part of this event and make this more memorable. Thank you for all your guidance, for all the patience that you had. Right? Don't clap. Okay, and I'm sure that we will definitely continue with this eternal bond of love, of care, and definitely your blessings will always be on us. I would love to thank all the friends of ours who've come from the city of Indore, who've come from outside the city of Indore, and especially the NRI brothers of ours, who've flown down all the way from London, from Scotland, from Oregon, from, I don't know, am I missing somebody else? Dubai, the big fish, Dubai. So we have people coming from all ways. And we really thank you for coming all the way up here and making this event really a memorable one.
Hyderabad is
Hyderabad.
Pakistani Hyderabad. Okay, this event would have been actually incomplete, or this event may not have even taken its shape without the thoughts, without the effort of a few individuals whom I would love to name, and I would really appreciate if you guys would probably recognize their effort with a clap, an outstanding ovation, standing ovation for each and every one of them. May I take the name please, Mr. Sandeep Mundra, Tinku Rajat Maheshwari, Saurabh Nawal, Amit Saleja, Himanshu Sagar, and the most notorious of all, Dikshant Patel. And I'm sure there are many other people who worked behind the scenes on making this event a great event. Thank you so much for all the help. I really would like to thank the kitchen staff, the dining staff for the most memorable meal that I've had in ages. When somebody said we should have made rajma, we made him realize that we had rajma today. It was really thing to come back where 10 people eating out of 3 plates doesn't happen anywhere else except in IPS. And it really made a lot of difference for us. Thank you to all the sports staff of IPS. I'm sure they have managed to keep children of all my friends here busy. And lastly, but not least, I would love till date so that we could come across here, meet you, and go away with a lot of happiness in our hearts. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the day.
Thank you very much, Prakash.
Principal Smita ma'am, our very, very dear students, my colleagues and friends. Well, I've just been asked to propose a vote of thanks. I don't know whether I qualify to actually do this, as I have not taught this particular batch of 95, but I do know them, some of them. They have been closely associated with me in house activities, and of course the very fact that you belong to the IPS family, that's more than enough for me to be standing here. I'm honored to be given this opportunity to thank each one of you. I think it was absolutely amazing the way our dear children, I'll still have the right to call you children, organized this wonderful, wonderful reunion. I think it was absolutely perfect. Kudos to each one of you. You have worked so hard and shown that your alma mater has always been not teach you only how to make a living, but also how to lead a life. And you have shown that you are leading your life in the true spirit of IPS education. On behalf of all of us here, we are truly, truly touched by this very kind gesture of yours. It's been 18 years and you still remember us, you remember your alma mater. That's truly commendable. You're absolutely bang on the right path. So keep going, keep the IPS banner flying high, and Achal Chaudhary's Sir's Scholars should go higher and higher each year with students such as yourself. Thank you so much once again for having us here. Thank you.
फुटबॉल सेक्रेटरी। Come on, clap for Amit Chawla. मैं तो सोच रहा था कि खाली प्रेसिडेंट और ट्रेजरर चुने, ट्रेजरर इसलिए तो लोग बहुत मालामाल होता है। रजत से बड़ा मालामाल कोई नहीं है। थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच, थैंक यू। इसके बच्चे इसके बराबर। अरे मुकेश को देखो।
अलग से लगाया
फोटोशॉप से
सबसे प्रोग्रेस बहुत अच्छा
लड़की को हटाओ। वेरी गुड। अरे आगे 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 बहुत डरता हूँ। सभी लोग खींच रहे, ये लोग क्या बातें थोड़ी ना कर रहे हैं। व्हाट्सएप के जरिए भेज देना। एक सेकंड, अरे येलो हटा ना भैया। फोटोग्राफर जब ओके बोले तब उठना तो
उठते हुए भी फोटो अच्छा आता है।
और जो एक पीछे मुड़ के लेंगे टी-शर्ट का प्रिंट का भैया साहब। और जो
और जो पीछे
10 नंबर दिखाते
हाँ एक के लिए इस पे क्या लिखा है इसके लिए आगे क्या
चलो आगे
फोटो चाहिए तो भैया एक एक करके सबकी लो और फिर डिस्पर्स हो प्लीज, फिर बाद में इकट्ठे नहीं हो पाएंगे। क्या कर ले